To access the enrollment functionality, select the Manage Classes tile. After you select the tile, the system will display by default your current class schedule. If you happen to be active in more than one term, you may see 2 or 3 options to choose from. And in this, we'll see our current class schedule for the fall 2019 by class, or select by date to view your class schedule by date. We're now going to look at how you can drop a class from your schedule. Let's say you made a mistake and you didn't want to enroll in English 101 after all. To go ahead and drop the class, you would select the Drop Classes option from the menu. The system refreshes and will display the terms available that you can make changes to. Select the term from the list and the system will refresh and display the Select Classes to Drop feature. Select the class to drop from the list of available classes, in this case English 101. To move forward with the drop process, select the Next button on the top right of the page. The system will then display the Review Classes to Drop step. Review and confirm this is the course you wish to drop, and then select the Drop Courses button. The system will display a message to confirm that the following classes are to be dropped. To move forward with the message, select Yes. After selecting Yes, the system will confirm that the course has been dropped by displaying a message on the page advising you that this class has been dropped.